Sending a rocket to the sun would be an incredibly challenging and complex endeavor. While it may seem straightforward to launch a rocket towards the sun, there are several factors that make such a mission extremely difficult, if not currently impossible with our current technology. Here are a few reasons why. Extreme temperatures. The sun's surface temperature reaches around 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit. Getting a spacecraft close to the sun would subject it to intense heat, requiring advanced thermal protection systems that can withstand such extreme temperatures. 2. Gravitational pull. The sun's gravitational pull is tremendously strong. To reach the sun, a spacecraft would need to overcome the immense gravitational force, which would require a tremendous amount of energy. It would be much more efficient and feasible to launch a spacecraft on a trajectory that utilizes gravitational assists from other celestial bodies to reduce the energy required. 3. Proximity to the sun. Getting close to the sun poses additional challenges due to the immense speed and energy required to counteract the gravitational pull. Achieving a stable orbit around the sun would be difficult, as the sun's gravity would constantly try to pull the spacecraft towards it. 4. Energy requirements. Launching a spacecraft towards the sun would require an enormous amount of energy. Since the Earth orbits the sun, a spacecraft would need to counteract the Earth's orbital velocity and also achieve escape velocity to travel towards the sun. The amount of fuel or energy required for such a mission would be prohibitively high with our current propulsion technologies. 5. Scientific value. While a mission to the sun would undoubtedly yield valuable scientific data, many of the objectives related to studying the sun's atmosphere, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections can be achieved through telescopes and other remote sensing instruments without the need for physically sending a spacecraft to the sun. It's important to note that NASA's Parker Solar Probe, launched in 2018, is currently the closest spacecraft to the sun. However, it does not directly plunge into the sun itself, but rather makes close flybys, utilizing multiple gravity assists from Venus to gradually reduce its orbit around the sun. In summary, the challenges of sending a rocket to the sun, including extreme temperatures, gravitational pull, proximity to the sun, energy requirements, and scientific value make it an exceedingly difficult and impractical mission with our current technology. Subscribe this channel to expand your thought.